In this video, we're gonna work out your biceps in many different ways and push it to the limit. But first, if you're new to the channel, my name is Discipline Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. This channel is dedicated to getting you fit at home by using great form and technique. I have many other workout videos working out different areas of your body. So go ahead and subscribe and start your workout journey with me. Today, we're going to push your biceps to the limit by doing a variety of different techniques to maximize muscle growth. First, we're going to use curls using a rep technique called 21s to get the blood flowing to the bicep. Next, we're going to do high curls with pulse reps to focus on the head of the bicep. Then we're going to do hammer curl hold sets to trap the blood to reach more blood vessels. And finally, we're going to do alternate curls at high repetition to make sure we tear all the muscle fibers. Now, to find out more details about each exercise, check out this video next so you can see how to do these exercises with great technique to maximize results. I'll be using the Bob and Brad resistance bands for the workout today. They are great quality bands that will last you a long time. And they come with everything you need. I have a link in the description if you'd like to purchase them. Now get your bands ready and let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start by putting our door stopper at the bottom, and I also have it set up at the top because remember, we're doing this all with no rest. So if you have a second door stopper, I recommend it. You don't necessarily need it, but I'm doing this for video purposes to show you how to do everything quickly. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our curls with 21s. So you're gonna grab your bands and you're gonna step forward. And when you're doing 21s, you're gonna do this first set just a little bit partially. Then you're gonna come up medium level. And you're gonna come up all the way. Just gonna get that blood pumping. All right, we're gonna turn around and we're gonna grab our weight here. All right, and we're gonna come and we're gonna do pulse reps. You're gonna come up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna come up and squeeze and you're gonna pulse 4 times. So this is number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna grab these bands. We're gonna grab the handles like this, you see? And we're gonna come up and we're gonna do hammer curls with hold sets. So we're gonna come up, 1, and after 2, we're gonna hold, 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 hold. Come down, hold, hold, not all the way, partially, and down. 2 more, hold, 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 hold. Keep holding it, fighting it. Down a little bit, hold, 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 and down. Again, hold, 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 hold. Again, hold, 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 hold. All right, pump it up again. Hold, 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 hold. Again. Hold, 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 down, hold, 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 and relax. All right, so now we're gonna get our alternate curls, and we're gonna go high repetition. Okay, now, 1, 2, here we go, 3, 4, 5, 6, pushing. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, here we go. Round number 2. Here we go. Partials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we're going straight into that. We're gonna go to our pulses. Get our tension started. Coming up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Straight into our hammer curls for our hold set. Gonna grab the handles like so. Gonna come straight up to hold, 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 midway, hold, 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 hold. Up again. Hold, 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 hold. 1, hold, 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 hold. Again. Hold, 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 hold. Last one. Hold, 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 hold. All right. Straight into our alternate. All right. 10 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hang in there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. And after you're done with that, make sure you check out those other videos so you can make sure that you get the right technique. And if you want to push it a little bit further and work out some other body parts, check those out too. Thank you for watching.